What colors are those?
Green.
Green.
Red.
Red.
Purple.
Purple. Good job.
Green.
Green. Can you show Daddy how you can color? And here's Carson just hanging out, being a good boy.
Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, Nat. Morning,
Morning.
Morning, Nat.
What is that?
Morning, Nat.
What is that?
Morning, Nat. Morning, Nat. Morning, Nat.
Okay. So it is Saturday. Me and Cooper. Cooper, where are we going? Well, we're gonna go to Mount Vernon and we're gonna look for Pokemon. And then they're doing the 10 off 10, 20 off 20, 100 off 100 at JCPenney again. And tell everyone what you got yesterday.
Yesterday at the Bellingham JCPenney, I got the 100 off 100 coupon. So me and Chloe and Carson are heading to Alderwood Mall today to use that coupon.
That's awesome. Chloe, can you say good job, Mommy? Oh, high five, Knuckles.
Boy.
She loves to give you guys high fives, knuckles, kisses, and hugs. Thank you everyone for watching our birth video. It currently has over 1,500 views. Can you say, whoa? Well, not our birth video, our pregnancy announcement video. Whoa. Fastest 9 months ever. Am I silly? Who's on your shirt, girl? Who is that? Is that Dory?
Boy.
Yeah, and then Cooper's got Nemo.
Oh, so good.
But yes, Cooper, we need to go find some Pokemon, okay? Yes, downtown Mount Vernon has like a million Pokestops. Right, Chloe? What are you watching? Some new show on Disney Junior, like Elena of Avalar or something. It just ended. Oh, Cooper's turning the TV off. You must be ready to go, huh, buddy? Anyways, so yeah, we are going to be heading down to my mom's house and go swimming with Cooper. And then Melissa's going to go to Linwood and go shopping with Chloe and Carson. Alright, so we just finished at JCPenney's and I got 4 shirts for completely free. They were each $5, so I paid nothing. So I had 2 10 off 10 coupons. And Cooper, now where are we at? Are we at Costco? Yes, we're going to pick up a pizza to bring over to my parents' house and have some yummy pizza for lunch. How's that sound, buddy? Want some yummy pizza?
Yummy pizza.
Okay. All right, we're off to Costco. recording on my phone now because the camera is dying. Cooper, look. The Cars table is back. He loves this Cars table. We got it at Costco last year. He loves it. Super nice. So Cooper, you have fun, okay? Okay, bye-bye.
You're eating it backwards, Coop. You don't eat it top down.
Are you having yummy pizza?
Pizza.
Oh, really? Here, I'll eat that.
Hot dog. Hot.
Yeah, you having your toys having pizza too?
Ocean pizza too.
Mmm. Yummy.
Ava's not gonna like pizza. No.
You
don't
eat.
eat it from
He
the
eats it so
top.
weird.
Cooper, teach him how to eat pizza.
He's
Alex
an odd
is gonna
child.
The rest of his life.
It's how Cooper eats it. It's Cooper's way. Look at how do you even do that?
Yeah.
All right, we're outside, and what are we doing, buddy? We're going swimming. It's gonna be a nice day out here. The sun's coming out. Got the pool. Do you want to float on this? Okay. How fun, Cooper. Let's put your life jacket on first. Hey, good job going in the water. Yes, okay. Going swimming. Can't take my phone in there because it'll break. Bye. It's turning out to be a nice day out here, and hopefully I don't drop my phone in the water. All done swimming. Now we're gonna go outside. Cooper, you ready to go outside? And Grandpa, there's a new Jeep apparently, a new frozen Jeep.
Come on, Cooper, this
Yes,
way.
it's a 2-seater Jeep that Cooper is gonna go check it out. There it is. Cooper, look at this Jeep. Come get in it. Get in the Jeep. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, they got this, I think, last weekend. It's a frozen Jeep. How cool is that? Wow. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Not done.
enough of that.
A little too
Well
fast.
done. Now try it, Cooper. Here's
always-
the slow speed, too.
Turn the steering wheel too, Coop. Cooper, you're an odd duck.
You drove it 3 feet south, said done.
Worth the money. Go drive the Jeep again. Drive it again, go.
Carry it to the backyard. You ride it in the yard.
Woo! Cooper's on cloud 9 because we're out in the grass. Look at him running. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. You need to go slide. Go slide. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Sausage.
What?
Sausage.
Go drive the car.
Let's go.
Go drive it.
Let's go.
It's on the side of the house.
Not us.
Over there. Go on, drive it. Go over there and drive it. Go get in the Jeep and drive it. Turn! Come over here. Cooper, turn!
Done? All you have to do is turn the steering wheel, Cooper.
He said, well, I'd rather just try to move the whole... Cooper, really? Oh.
I thought he was going to flip it over. Only Cooper can flip a truck.
Almost flipped it. That would have been pretty funny. Okay, go.
Kids with that have got.
Let's not do it again.
Help.
Go.
Help. Help him. Help him. No, help.
We're on the lawnmower. We're going on a little lawnmower ride. Say hi, Cooper. I don't know if you can hear us or not, but we are on the lawnmower in the backyard. Going on a little drive. Me and the little Coop man. Whee! Should we crank it up a notch, go a little faster? What do you think? We're going on the roller coaster. Hold on tight, Cooper. Whee! Whoa! Alrighty, and now we are headed to Best Buy. I talked my dad into getting a new router because their internet sucks. We're going to Best Buy, huh, Coop? It's so slow, and I think a router would really help their internet speeds and me not want to die every time I come down here because the internet's so slow. So yes, we are off to Best Buy, and Cooper, we and you and Grandpa, and then we're going to actually go get milkshakes after we go to Best Buy. It's going to be so much fun. Time to go swimming again. Are you ready, Cooper? Go swimming one more time?
I'm doing more.
Yeah, let's go put your bathing suit on. Today's been a fun day, and we're ending. We just went swimming. Now we're having some ice cream. Cooper, how's your ice cream?
Yummy ice cream?
I'd say it's pretty good because it's almost gone. Now he's picking it up off the... Okay, let's go wash your hands. Good morning, everyone. Can you say good morning, Chloe? Say good morning, guys. Are you being shy now? It is Sunday morning. Me and Melissa and the kiddos are heading over to her parents' house, and we are gonna leave them there. All three kids at Grandma's house. Yeah, Grandpa's house. And you know the best part about it?
Knuckles.
Knuckles.
High five. High five. Knuckles. High five. This. Oh.
So Chloe had to give her a kiss and hugs. So anyways, we are going to Grandma and Grandpa's house, and me and Mommy are gonna go see Finding Dory. Yeah, it'll be the first movie we've seen since I think last June. Super excited to actually be able to sit and watch a movie and have some popcorn and some pop and not any whiny kids. I love you guys, but it's gonna be fun to go to a movie. Get popcorn. You guys are gonna play outside. And Carson. Hi, honey. Yeah. Isn't that fun, Chloe?
Go.
Chloe, can you tell me what color that school bus is? It's yellow. Cooper, what color is the car seat? Hey, Coop.
Red.
Your shirt's red, yep. What color is your socks?
Red.
Lots of red. What color are Daddy's shoes?
Red.
No.
Red.
No. Goofball. They're kind of black and green and orange, aren't they?
Orange.
Okay, we'll see you at Grandma's house. I see you at Grandma's.
Bye.
Whoa, there goes Cooper. Really? Get down. Okay, we just dropped the kids off at Grandma and Grandpa's, and now, where are we going?
To see Finding Dory.
With no kids.
So nice.
Yes, it's very quiet already. It'll be nice to actually sit and watch a movie. So yeah, we're gonna go watch Finding Dory and have some popcorn, and we have like 15 million gift certificates that we won on this little text message game. So it's gonna be like a free movie, and that's even better. So we will see you guys later after the movie. Bye-bye.
In a faraway
We're at the movie now. There's literally no one in the theater, but we can't film during the movie, but popcorn time. Are you excited for your popcorn?
So excited for the popcorn and my Sour Patch Kids.
July 30th.
Okay, we just got out of the movie. It was super good. What did you think about
It
it?
was so good. I loved it.
Yeah, it's a very good sequel to the original Finding Nemo, which is one of my favorite Pixar movies. And now, what do you think we're gonna do?
Head to the mall and use my 100 off 100 coupon.
Yes, she got the $100 off 100 at JCPenney. Wasn't that awesome? There's only 2 at each store. So we're gonna have to go find a way to spend $100 at JCPenney's. So yes, that should be fun. Hopefully Carson's doing okay with her parents. And
I just got a text and he is doing good.
Good. I doubt he's drank any of his bottle though, because he refuses to drink bottles. But that's nice that he's doing good. And then when we get back there, we're gonna play outside, and maybe I can set up the water slide for Cooper and we can play with like the sprinkler. It'd be fun. So yes, we're off to JCPenney. Chloe, say hi. Are you happy that we're back home? Whoa, look how good you are at swinging. Wee. Yes, we're back home, or back to Grandma and Grandpa's house. We saw the movie, we went to Trader Joe's. Oh, you want to give Knuckles? Oh no, wrong side.
Five.
Like this, Bear.
High five.
Yep, give high five.
Coco's. High five. His. Oh.
You're cute. Cooper, you want to say hi? I need a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Were you a good boy? You were a good boy?
Oh no. No.
Chloe Bear, you just chilling? Say hi. Wow, don't lift your dress up. I see a blue line. Do you want to go on the potty?
No.
Why? Do you want to go potty in the big girl potty? No way. Good, what are you doing? Wow, thirsty much? Wow. Ooh, that was exhausting, huh? Wow. Good thing Mommy got that water. Can you run fast? Run fast. Go, Chloe, go. Get him. Here, I'm gonna throw the basketball. Did you guys do Ring Around the Rosie? Really? You forgot the last part. Do Rosie with Cooper right here in the grass. Or you want to do it on the concrete. Okay. Do Rosie. Cooper, hold her hand. Wishes all fall down. Yay! We're doing Ring Around the Rosie again and again and again. You ready, Chloe? Ring around the Rosie. Whoa! Look who's back to his mommy. Hi. Were you a good boy? Did you eat a lot and drink a lot? Say no. Were you waiting for mommy?
Eat if she bites baby food.
Like actually opened his mouth for it, or?
Oh, I had to wait for him to open his mouth.
Yeah, and then he
Yeah, and then
he makes that
he makes a funny face.
like that. Can you do this, Chloe? Go.
Num, num, num.
Yummy baby food.
Baby go.
Carson doesn't like baby
She
food.
always
Did Chloe like baby food? Where is Cooper going? So Chloe, she really likes to do throw rocks through these little holes in the fence. Look at her, so cute. Put the rocks through the hole. Good job, Chloe. You gonna grab another one? Nice and warm out today. It's like 80 degrees out. Now's a good time to let you know too. As a reminder, we are actually going to be walking in the Chalk Children's of Orange County Walk in the Park at Disneyland. It's the largest. Yes, at Disneyland. Yep. It's the. I want to say hi.
Hi.
It's the largest fundraiser walk in the nation, maybe the world. Knuckles. Yeah. Last year it raised $2.75 million for Chalk. High five. And this little girl spent 3 nights at Children's in Orange County. And this is kind of our way of saying thank you. And so we're fundraising, trying to raise $1,000. So you can actually donate at the link below, and we'd appreciate anything. Okay, now we're doing some apple picking. You gonna pick up all the apples, guys, okay?
You need to see on the ground. There.
Cooper, the ones in the ground, honey.
Yeah.
He's like, well, it's easier to get them off the tree.
Okay, Cooper, over here some. Right here. Here, Cooper, right there. Cooper.
Apples away some more. Honey, I think we're trying to pick them off the ground. Good job, Coop.
Good job.
Hi, buddy. You having fun? You really are eating the strap? Look at that hair. Carson, why are you chewing on that?
Hi, Carson. Because it feels good and it's there.
Just what I do. Nice hair. I love your hair. Look who I found in the grass. Chloe, look at your brother. Look at him. Wow, Carson. Look at you.
Outside, baby.
Yeah, outside baby. Look at the cute boys. You're matching. This little guy is determined to climb into this tower. Figure it out. You know, you could always go through the door. You wanted help? That's what I'm helping you with. I'm telling you to go through the door. Try the window. Put your foot in the window. Put your foot right here. Use the chair. Go grab the chair and use the chair to get your foot up there. Yep, climb on the chair, then use your foot. You can do it. Watch. Alright, Coop, you can do it. Put your foot on the chair. Then put it in the window. Foot in the window.
What are you doing, new boy? What are you doing?
Yeah, use your other foot. Oh, Chloe, that's not nice. Use your other foot. Chloe. There. Take your foot down. Chloe. Be nice. Okay, put this left foot. Climb on the chair. Take your left foot, that foot. Put it in, no, or sorry, your right foot, this foot, in the window. Now, other foot over the tower. There you go. Good job, Cooper. Look how good you two are being. Chloe, now you're using your right hand. The other day you were using your left.
Yeah, isn't that funny?
I can't decide if you're right or left-handed, girl. Yummy. Why don't you have some of your quesadilla? Yum. What a good dinner, huh, guys? Super fun. Hey, everyone. So I am here on Monday night, actually editing the video that you're watching now. I completely forgot to make an ending clip. So, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. We actually had a nice, we've gained like 15 subscribers this week, which is good for us. Ever since posting Melissa's pregnancy announcement, we've gotten a lot of views, which is good. But this should be uploaded tonight, Monday, but it's already 11 o'clock, so that might not go live until tomorrow. But again, thanks for watching. Have a good week. Bye-bye.